Today, I'm going to show you how to sync Bill with QuickBooks Online. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online and open the correct company file. Make sure you have permission to add apps or manage integrations. From the top search bar, type My Integrations. Then select My Integrations from the results. This opens the Integrations area where you can view and manage connected apps. Next, open the Find Integrations tab. In the search field, type Bill or bill.com. When the Bill app appears, click it to open the app details page. Take a moment to review the app information. Check what data can sync, such as vendors, bills, payments, and related accounting information. You can also review the app publisher, ratings, pricing, permissions, and support details. When you're ready, click Get App Now. QuickBooks will begin the connection process. Follow the on-screen prompts to sign into your Bill account and authorize the connection. You may also be asked to confirm the QuickBooks company you want to connect and approve the permissions needed for syncing. If sync preferences appear during setup, choose the options that match how you manage vendors, bills, payments, and approvals. Once the setup is complete, Bill and QuickBooks Online will be connected. From there, your bills, vendors, and payments can sync based on the settings you selected. You can return to My Integrations later to review, manage, or disconnect the app. And that's how to sync Bill with QuickBooks Online in 2026.